How to redeem gift card on hotels.com. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can redeem your gift card on hotels.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem your gift card on hotels.com, all you have to do is first of all open the hotels.com application here. Now you have to redeem your gift card during the checkout process whenever you're booking for a specific place. So first of all, just search for a destination or a property, then just tap the search button. It will show you the best prices, so select the ones that you actually see and fits your needs. So I'll just select a random one here. I'll select a number of rooms as well, and then once this page has been loaded up, I'll just select a room button from the bottom of the screen. Once I've done that, all I need to do is just click on the reserve button here. Now once I tap the reserve button on this case, right over here you'll be able to see all these sorts of information where I can simply pay for it, right? But if I scroll down all the way to the very bottom, you can see payment details. Now you can choose to pay with your card or your PayPal, but since we're learning to redeem our gift card, what we have to do is we have to select the option called gift card over here. All we need to do is simply make sure to enter our gift card number, which is usually the 16-digit card number, and then you have to make sure to enter the PIN code, which is also sometimes referred as a security or the CVC or the CVV code. Then you can just check the balance. Depending upon the value of that gift card, it is going to be successfully applied to book this specific property over here that you might have reserved. And if it's enough, you can just leave it at that. If it's not, then you can add some other payment methods to continue it and just tap on the book over here. And that is it for today's video on how you can redeem your gift card on hotels.com. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.